Chief Minister Khemchand handed over 5 Bolero pickup vehicles to Excise Department to enhance its enforcement drive against illegal liquor transportation in the state. The vehicles were flagged off during a meeting held at Chief Minister's Secretariat in the presence of legislators and officials. The Chief Minister stated that the addition of the vehicles would significantly strengthen the department's efforts in curbing unlawful liquor trade and ensuring strict implementation of government regulations. Assistant Commissioner of Excise N. Rajesh expressed gratitude for the support and said the newly inducted vehicles would greatly assist field operations, particularly in seizing illegally transported liquor. However, he highlighted acute shortage of manpower in the department, stating that only 113 staff are currently serving against a sanctioned strength of 706, which poses challenges in carrying out enforcement activities effectively. Referring to lifting of the prohibition policy in 2023, he said the vehicles would help the department enforce prevailing rules and regulations more efficiently, while appealing to the government to expedite recruitment process to address staff shortage.
Illegal liquor Pagat Pada
Manipur Yunba Masung Yugi to Pusat Lapagit Mong the controlled manner to work Namnava enforcement to Namnava excise key station Mayam Ladiva Singsida Kari Sings Sibu Koina Pijaraga Moida mobility Ching the Boy the Boy chat pada enforced over the Mating Pangnavi in Maruina Lejavani. Excise in a quite the in a society recruitment at the staff say. Meet a trick at Turk Legado among the Hosea lady was Chamaga Taraga from the Katani, I would around the 15%. Pulakuran to Pulaga. Aruna staff young what with the Maramna enforcement does you na Pudong Chada Bomoy. Adu state government Mamang is a hida coin notification. I'm talk to Lake Atubada, Adugi recruitment Macadon the process to be a Kenny Hibagi at Hazaba.